Cha, I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to Kitchen to PhD. Last week, I was invited to the Sharjah Children's Reading Festival and I had a blast over there. I made rabdi in kunafa cups and it was excellent. It was one of my signature dishes. I also visited Dubai and I went to this restaurant called Peppermint. It had awesome food and I had this yummy kulfi lassi. So I thought, then and there, I'm going to experiment on the kulfi lassi, and I'm not making just kulfi lassi. I'm making mango kulfi lassi. So let's get started. First, we have to on the stove. First, add koa, which is solidified milk and unsweetened. It's unsweetened. Next, you add milk, and everyone knows what milk is. Now cook it until all the koa has melted. Now the koa has melted. Reduce the heat and slowly add milk powder while mixing. I love eating milk powder. Stir for a couple of minutes. Next, let's add condensed milk. Then goes in the crushed nuts. I'm using almonds and pistachios. There's a little bit there, I just cook it in medium heat until it starts thickening. It has started thickening. Let's add cardamom powder, cornflour slurry. I made it by using 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Looks like curd to me. It's slurry. Now cook it for a while, like maybe 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and mix it thoroughly until all of the mixed in. The kulfi has thickened. It has coated the back of the spoon perfectly. That's tasty. Now switch it off and cool it down. After it cools down, you have to add mango pulp. So let's cool this down. The kulfi mix has thickened, as you can see. Let's do one more. It's so yummy already. Next, we have to add mango pulp. I have blended the mango pieces without water, so it becomes really thick. Plop, plop. Let me wash my hands because this is too messy. And let's mix. And mix until all of it is mixed. The texture is awesome. Now we need to mix until all of it is mixed together with the kulfi mix. So it becomes mango kulfi mix. Perfect yellow. This is like goldish yellow. It's really good. Next, we are going to transfer into kulfi molds. This is the best part. So take a kulfi mold. Add a little bit of chopped pistachios. Next, add the kulfi mix. Now I'm going to do the remaining. Now let's freeze it overnight. Next, let's transfer it into a ring mold. I'm using a steel ring mold. I'm going to cover it with ring wrap in one side so that we can use it as a mold. Let's make this ring wrap. cling wrap, as you can see. Now let's keep it like this. And let's put some kulfi mix into it. Mango kulfi mix. I'm going to set it in the freezer overnight, and tomorrow I get a disc kulfi, mango disc kulfi. And then I'm going to make the lassi with it. So let's go. Last episode you saw me make mango kulfi. Today I'm going to make lassi, but not just any lassi. Tender coconut lassi. I'm going to have it with the mango kulfi. The mango kulfi is chilling in the freezer overnight. So now I'm going to make the tender coconut lassi. Let's get started. First, in a blender, I add chopped tender coconut flush pieces. I love it. Let's add. Okay. So next, let's add coconut milk. Next, let's add sugar. And let's blend until it's smooth. So let's take this out. Next, the main ingredient, chilled thick curd or yogurt. Next, add lemon juice, rose essence, cardamom powder, and now blend nicely. The curd should only be blended for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let's stop. Oh, it was really tight. Let's take this out. I'm going to make it for the whole family. So I'm going to fill up this big jar. So here we have the mix. Let's add it into the jar. Uh-oh. I think I need one more batch of this to fill this up. So I'll be right back with the second batch. So my second batch is ready. So let's pour it. That's enough. Uh-oh, we have too much. Thank God I have another glass. That's enough. And with the remaining I'll drink. I never knew coconut and curd could be such a yummy combo. It's excellent. So now I'm going to bring the mango kulfi, and I'm going to have the combo mango kulfi with lassi. But not just any lassi, coconut lassi. So let's go and take the kulfi. It's a very good texture. I know it's going to be really tasty. It has a good color. It has a good bright yellow color. So let's insert the skewer in. Insert it, yes. So let's add it. Whoa. So cool. I kept the kulfi in the freezer overnight. Now let's take them out. So first, open them. With a large skewer, dip it right in the center, like that. Put it in hot water. Let's take it out. Yes. Got it. Whoa. This. Let's take it out. Whoa. So now let's put this in. Now let's take them out and see. Whoa. Now look at the best part. That kulfi. Yeah, this one is gone. This one, the last survivor. Yep, we got a plate. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to Kitchen Tube.